within the counties, but are also paid for all the work that they do.
Now, financial and managerial uproar continue to rock the tea sector in parts of West KTDA affiliate, with farmers decrying minimal pay in bonus in the current market in the last financial year. Speaking in Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County, directors said they recorded a drop in the recent payment and also faced difficulties in accessing subsidized fertilizer.
We urge KTDA to pay the farmers, the Mamul farmers, the money 50.3 as was decided resolved by the board. Again, on fertilizer suspense, the farmers has been deducted 1 shillings and 50 cents at a rate per kilo of green leaf for that 1 year. For Mamul, they have collected in advance in suspense for the 3,820,171.20 cents.
We actually demand that the resolution that was made by the directors on the day that we are declaring second and final payment be respected. And I think we do not want to belabor ourselves to say so many things. What we want is the final and second payment that was declared be paid. Historically, this is exactly what has been happening when the directors have declared bonus, second and final payment. KTDA has always respected the decision of the board, and we do not understand why things have changed and affecting only Mamul factory, I would say, in Region 5 and probably in the West Rift as a whole.
Now, the country will tomorrow celebrate Mashujaa Day, the national celebration.